In this video, we are going to look at a portable SSD called Kingston XS1000. Before going into the review, I'm going to let you know where I purchased it from, and I got it at a much cheaper price than most retail or online stores. You might have heard of AliExpress, an online retail marketplace which offers a wide variety of goods at affordable prices. AliExpress is where I get many of my tech products, just because the low prices are quite irresistible. To turn your online shopping into amazing savings, you wouldn't want to miss their AliExpress Cashback challenge. Not just tech products, you could find just about any products that you need and earn 5% cashback on everything you buy. That's money back in your pocket. But wait, this is just the beginning. As you shop, you'll also earn points. These points unlock more cashback, up to a whopping 15% total cashback. The more you buy, the more you save. Check out the wide variety of products from various categories that you can purchase. Claim these cashbacks on items you purchase just by joining the TechTube team, either by clicking the link in this video description or comments section, or by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen right now. You can invite your friends and family to join the TechTube team. The larger the team becomes and the more we spend, the cashback amount grows up to a maximum 15%, which can be redeemed with your next purchase from AliExpress. Happy AliExpress 15th anniversary! Enjoy up to 80% anniversary sale starting March 16th at 2300 hours. Play games like Prize Land, watch your snapshot with AliExpress, and win a share of 1,700,000 Australian dollars. You can also get endless coupons and high-value prizes. Use the links in the description or comment to join the TechTube team and get amazing cashback and discounts. Now let's get back to this small in size, but huge in capacity external SSD drive. This Kingston XS1000 is the smallest portable SSD that I own. This is the product box of Kingston XS1000, which is a compact and affordable portable solid-state drive, SSD, that offers reliable performance for everyday storage needs. With capacities of 1 TB and 2 TB, it caters to users seeking a balance between portability, speed, and cost-effectiveness. The one I purchased is 2 TB, and this box should come with 3 items inside. And here is the product warranties information. I have been using Kingston data storage products for more than 10 years, and I personally trust this brand for reliability. I have unboxed Kingston XS1000, and these are everything from the box. Included is a short USB-C to USB-A cable and a USB-A to USB-C adapter. This adapter allows you to connect the SSD to smartphones or devices with USB-C port. This allows you to use a USB-C to USB-C connection. One of the most significant advantages of this external SSD is its ultra-compact and lightweight design. Measuring just 0.5 by 1.3 by 2.7 inches and weighing approximately 28.9 grams, the XS1000 resembles a wide USB thumb drive, often described as being smaller than a credit card, making it exceptionally portable. This makes it ideal for travelers, photographers, videographers, and anyone needing portable storage. This is a size comparison with a credit card. This is a size comparison with another portable SSD from SanDisk. This is a size comparison with a USB flash drive from SanDisk. And this is a comparison with a pen. Now you get the idea of how compact and portable this Kingston XS1000 SSD is. Its matte black finish gives it a sleek appearance. The drive is constructed with a sturdy plastic body, providing decent durability. However, unlike some competitors, it lacks ruggedization features such as water and dust resistance, which may be a consideration if you require durability in varied environments. Equipped with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, the XS1000 delivers solid performance for its class. In various benchmark tests, it can achieve sequential read speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 1,000 megabytes per second. However, during extended write operations, when writing very large amounts of data to the drive, performance can decline, with the write speeds dropping off noticeably. This behavior is typical for many SSDs relying on dynamic caching mechanisms. Real-world performance can vary depending on the host device and connection. Kingston XS1000 offers broad compatibility with various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. It also works with devices like smart TVs. Now let's look at the Kingston XS1000 SSD's advantages. The portable SSD's small form factor makes it easy to carry, fitting comfortably in pockets or small bags. You might not even realize that you are carrying this compact and lightweight device. With low prices on AliExpress for the 1TB model and the 2TB version, it offers good value for its performance and reliability. Check the link in this video description or comment section. The XS1000 SSD is suitable for general storage tasks, including backing up documents, photos, and moderate-sized videos. I use this SSD to back up my phone photos, media, and files. If anything happens to my phone, I'll have a backup copy in my Kingston SSD. This product provides users with extended coverage of a 5-year warranty, reflecting Kingston's confidence in the product's durability. Now let's look at the disadvantages of Kingston XS1000 SSD. Lack of a 4TB option may be a drawback for those needing larger storage volumes. Although I personally don't mind having multiple XS1000 SSD drives, having a large 4TB capacity in a single storage device is much more convenient. The SSD lacks water and dust resistance, making it less suitable for harsh environments. If you are looking for a tough portable SSD to survive rough or adventurous environments, this may not be a suitable product. The absence of hardware encryption, which could be a concern for users requiring enhanced data security. Users requiring enhanced data security may need to consider other options, which are usually at a much higher price range. When writing very large amounts of data to the drive, the write speeds can drop off noticeably. This can happen during extended write operations that can lead to reduced speeds, which might be a drawback for tasks like video editing or transferring large datasets. I have used this portable SSD at home, at work, and while traveling. It is definitely a must-have for me at all times. I use this SSD to back up files and media from my phone. And I also use this SSD to transfer files between my phone and laptop. The Kingston XS1000 stands out as a highly portable and cost-effective SSD, ideal for users seeking a straightforward solution for everyday storage needs. While it may not be the best choice for professionals requiring consistent high-speed performance or enhanced durability, it offers excellent value for general use. For those needing higher capacities or more robust features, exploring other models like the Kingston XS2000 or competitors with rugged designs may be advisable. For everything else and general use, the Kingston XS1000 SSD is a perfectly balanced product in my opinion. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.